Hey there, this is Tom back with Alcons Audio. We're a Dutch manufacturer of professional sound systems. And we're here at warm, well, let's say hot Las Vegas 2026. Back with the vengeance. So we took a number of new products, took a number of existing products with us. A longer time part of our solutions portfolio is the RR12. It's from the R series and it's a point source array system. In this case we combined two cabinets with each other. A single cabinet contains a 12-inch, a very high output 4-inch coil 12-inch speaker, and it's connected to the RBN 602. The 602 is a 6-inch pro-ribbon driver, the pro-ribbon transducer technology that we've mastered over the years into a number of patents and a number of different sorts, 01, 02, 04 platform. In this case 02 platform, 602. Very powerful driver. It's with 1300 watt peak power handling from 1 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. And the dispersion pattern is a plus 20, minus 40, so in total a 60 degree vertical, asymmetrical, and in the horizontal plane it's a 30 degree. Interestingly enough, the 30 degree is line source. That means there's no side lobes, so there's a super sharp cutoff because of the cylindrical wavefront that is projected by the pro-ribbon driver. So basically you have a degree of 30 and then a segment of another 30, and they seamlessly integrate with each other without any destructive interference because of the cylindrical wavefront of each high frequency devices. Anyway, more information can be found on alconsaudio.com. Thank you very much.